Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing a battle series for Kite in the anime stadium, my burst anime stadium. I know I haven't done a lot of burst stuff lately, and I've been wanting to do it. I'm just doing my favorite characters from Burst. Kite is really easy. There's only 3 for Z, Super Z. Against this is a flashback, so that's why he doesn't have the expand. But yeah, the rest of the videos will have him with expand. Just 3. Okay, 1-0. Okay, 1 apiece. Let's redo that. Two zero. Where did he go? Yeah. Okay, 2-1. I found it. I had to take shit off the thing. So yeah. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna restart that since this works really well with this. So yeah, let's redo that. So it's 1-0. Okay, tie. Let's go. Okay, 2-1. Okay. So that's a win. If you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.